You've just faced a major setback and you're feeling defeated. Now think about how you'd respond. Would you give up, or would you take it as an opportunity to grow? Your answer might depend on one simple thing: your mindset. In today's video, we're diving into Mindset, The New Psychology of Success by Carol Dweck, a book that could completely transform the way you approach challenges, learning, and even failure. Whether you're struggling with personal growth or seeking ways to accelerate your career, this book holds the key to unlocking your true potential. Stick around to learn how adopting the right mindset can change your life. What if I told you that the way you think about your abilities could have a massive impact on how successful you become? Carol Dweck argues that our mindset, the beliefs we hold about ourselves, shapes our behavior, responses to failure, and even our overall success. The good news: mindsets can change. So whether you're in a slump or just looking to level up, Dweck's insights offer a path forward. At the heart of Dweck's book is the idea of two fundamental mindsets. First, we have the fixed mindset. Those with a fixed mindset believe that talent and intelligence are innate. Either you're born with it or you're not. This mindset leads to avoiding challenges, fearing failure, and a resistance to feedback. For people with this mindset, failure means they're not good enough. Then, there's the growth mindset. People with a growth mindset believe that abilities and intelligence can be developed over time through hard work and dedication. They see failure as part of the learning process, a stepping stone rather than a setback. They embrace challenges because they know that's where growth happens. And this mindset, it leads to higher achievements, better performance, and a more resilient approach to life. Dweck goes deeper into the psychological processes behind each mindset. People with a fixed mindset often feel the need to prove their abilities. They may avoid challenges to protect their self-image, and when they fail, they see it as evidence of their limitations. On the flip side, those with a growth mindset embrace challenges. They understand that effort is the key to improvement and that failure doesn't define them. It's just a signal that they need to try a different approach. This distinction leads to vastly different behaviors. People with a fixed mindset are less likely to take risks, fearing failure. Meanwhile, those with a growth mindset are motivated by the desire to learn and improve. This internal motivation fosters a deeper satisfaction and a more fulfilling path toward success. So, what does mindset have to do with accomplishment? Everything. People with a fixed mindset believe that their abilities are limited, so when they fail, they often give up. They might even tie their self-worth to their intelligence or talents. Those with a growth mindset, however, see success and failure as part of the same journey. They understand that while talent can give you an initial edge, it's effort, persistence, and learning that determine long-term success. In educational settings, sports, and even business, Dweck's research shows that those who believe they can improve outperform those who think their abilities are fixed. So, if you've ever been held back by a belief that you weren't good enough or smart enough, this book will help you shift that thinking. Let's talk sports, where the growth mindset shines. Legendary athletes like Michael Jordan, Serena Williams, and Tiger Woods have all exemplified the power of persistence. Dweck uses their stories to show how talent alone doesn't guarantee success. What makes these athletes great is their willingness to work hard, embrace mistakes, and constantly push for improvement. They demonstrate that mastery isn't about being born with talent, but about putting in the work and learning from each setback. When we look at athletes with a fixed mindset, we often see a very different picture. These athletes may be extremely talented, but when faced with a challenge that tests their abilities, they struggle. Their fear of failure can prevent them from growing. But with a growth mindset, athletes not only improve their skills, they expand their potential in ways they never thought possible. Now let's take a look at business. Leaders with a fixed mindset often avoid giving critical feedback because they fear it will make them look weak. They also tend to focus on short-term results, valuing talent over effort. But leaders with a growth mindset, they focus on developing their teams. They encourage learning, resilience, and taking calculated risks. These leaders understand that mistakes are part of the process, and they create environments where employees are empowered to learn, innovate, and grow. This mindset can transform not just individual performance, but entire organizations. Companies that foster a growth mindset culture are more likely to attract top talent, spark innovation, and remain adaptable in changing markets. But it's not just about work and achievement. Dweck also explores how mindsets affect our personal relationships. In love and marriage, couples with a growth mindset believe that relationships can improve through communication, effort, and mutual support. They don't see conflicts as signs of incompatibility, but as opportunities to grow together. On the other hand, couples with a fixed mindset may view conflict as a sign that their relationship is doomed. They may become defensive or give up easily, believing that problems can't be worked through. But with the growth mindset, couples learn to address challenges head-on, creating a deeper and more resilient bond. Here's the good news. Changing your mindset isn't impossible. Dweck offers strategies to help shift from a fixed to a growth mindset. The first step is awareness. Recognize when you're operating from a fixed mindset and challenge those limiting beliefs. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I can't do this yet." It's all about reframing how you see challenges, setbacks, and mistakes. Next, commit to putting in the effort. Embrace challenges and view them as opportunities for growth. Stay persistent, and remember that every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. With time and practice, your mindset can evolve. To wrap things up, mindset. The new psychology of success teaches us that our mindset shapes our path to success. By adopting a growth mindset, you'll not only unlock your true potential, but also transform the way you approach challenges, failure, and even relationships. The key is to believe that you can improve through effort and learning. And when you do that, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. If you'd like to dive deeper into these ideas and explore how to apply them in your life, check out the link to the book in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from a mindset shift. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.